Hello and welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing crop improvement using CRISPR technology. Have you ever wondered how scientists are able to make crops more resistant to pests and diseases? Well, wonder no more. Genome editing is a cutting-edge technology that allows researchers to precisely modify the genetic makeup of crops to make them more resilient and productive. From faster growth to increased yields, genome editing has the potential to revolutionize the world of agriculture as we know it. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the fascinating world of genome editing and its impact on the crops we rely on for food. Let's dive in. Crop improvement with genome editing, a promising future for agriculture. The disruptions to global food production and supply chains caused by the COVID-19 outbreak and resulting lockdowns have had significant impacts, particularly for countries such as Singapore, which rely on imports for 90% of their food. To mitigate the impact, the governments across the world has taken measures such as stockpiling supplies, diversifying food sources, and implementing contingency plans. However, with continued volatility, there is a pressing need to enhance local food production and bolster the food security in the long term. Faced with food security concerns, the world's population is expected to grow to 9.7 billion by 2050, and with it comes the demand for more food. However, with the increasing pressures of climate change and land degradation, meeting the needs of a growing population through traditional crop breeding methods is becoming increasingly challenging. Genome editing offers a solution to this problem, providing a promising tool for crop improvement. One potential solution is genome editing. Genome editing offers a solution to this problem, providing a promising tool for crop improvement. Genome editing is a process that involves precisely altering the DNA of a plant to improve its traits, such as increased yield, enhanced disease resistance, and improved nutritional value. This technology has revolutionized the field of agriculture, allowing scientists to create new crop varieties with desired traits in a much shorter time than traditional breeding methods. Benefits with GM editing. By using genome editing to develop new crop varieties that can grow faster and produce higher yields in urban farming conditions, as well as by researching the cultivation of leafy vegetables, it can increase its fundamental knowledge of the field and potentially commercialize relevant findings in the near future. Integrating desired crop traits. The combination of food science and technology has been used since the dawn of agriculture to select crops with desired traits, such as higher yield, improved nutrition, and greater resilience. Farmers now use physical, chemical, and biological methods to enhance production and quality. One of the most exciting aspects of genome editing is that it is a precise tool, allowing scientists to make specific and targeted changes to the DNA of a plant. This means that unwanted changes to the genome can be avoided, and the process of creating new plant varieties can be sped up significantly. Targeted modification. By using biological methods such as genome editing, scientists are able to modify specific genes that affect particular characteristics, such as disease resistance or biomass. The potential applications of genome editing in agriculture are enormous. For instance, plants can be edited to grow faster and produce more biomass, making them more productive. Genome editing can also reduce the need for chemical pesticides. Additionally, plants can be edited to improve their nutritional value, providing essential vitamins and minerals to people who lack access to a diverse diet. Researchers worldwide have developed many interesting modified crops using genome editing, including decaffeinated coffee, fungi-resistant bananas, and spicy tomatoes, demonstrating the sustainable and limitless potential of this technology to create new crop varieties with improved or novel traits. Achieving self-sustainability. The goal for food self-sustainability has led to the establishment and optimization of protocols for improving crops like rice, fruits, and leafy vegetables. Their ultimate aim is to develop high-value vegetable and food varieties with greater biomass and stress resistance. Countries that rely strictly on imported food from other countries is sensitive to supply vulnerability to fluctuations such as those caused by the ongoing coronavirus outbreak. Stress resistance traits can be integrated. Genome editing allows scientists to create plants that are better adapted to changing environmental conditions. By altering specific genes, plants can be made to tolerate drought, heat, and other environmental stresses that can negatively impact crop yields. The science of genome editing. To modify genes in various crops, crop scientists are currently using CRISPR-Cas9 technology, which originates from the immune system of bacteria. CRISPR-Cas9 captures DNA from viruses and creates CRISPR arrays that allow the bacteria to identify and disable the virus with Cas9 enzymes. Genome editing uses RNA-directed DNA endonucleases to add, remove, or modify genetic material in the genome. CRISPR-Cas9 enables the generation of heritable gene mutations for crop breeding and produces plants with desired traits faster than traditional selective breeding. For example, modified crops such as low-gluten wheat and browning-resistant mushrooms have been developed using CRISPR-Cas9 technology. The broader aim to gain a deeper understanding of the functions of annotated genes in vegetable varieties to create a sustainable food system. Possible safety concerns with GMOs. Genome editing is a relatively new technology, and there are concerns about the safety of edited plants. However, scientists are working to address these concerns and ensure that edited plants are safe for human consumption and the environment. More research is needed to understand crop characteristics. There is a lack of data on how gene function is related to specific plant characteristics, especially for leafy vegetables. Further research is needed for each species to establish and optimize the method, which may take 1 to several years depending on the species. Despite the long timeline, it is believed that the use of genome editing will transform agriculture and ensure food and nutritional security. The combination of food science and technology can enable a shift towards a more sustainable food system, leading to a better future for everyone. With this genome editing technology, we can create crops that are more productive, resilient, and nutritious, ensuring that we can feed the growing global population while protecting the environment. While there are still challenges to be addressed, the future of agriculture looks bright with genome editing. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video on crop improvement. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on biotechnology and related topics.